All right, so for the next technique that we're going to try here, we're going to use the inspired technique. And the song that we're going to choose is Dead Flowers by the Rolling Stones. When you're sitting there in your silk upholstered chair, talking to some rich folk that you know. After we play it a little bit, even with the lyrics and everything, is get rid of the lyrics, okay? So we could replace the lyrics with na-na-nas, da-da-das, humming, or my favorite, gibberish, okay? So let's do that. Waiting on the rain, sitting out in every day, walking along the highway in the dark, driving down a highway in the dark, okay? Driving down a highway in the dark. This is why I love gibberish, all right? That just came wherever, out of the blue, okay? Just like that, boom, it appeared. Write it down. So now we have our melodic line from the original song. We've gotten rid of the lyrics from the original song, so we're good for that. We're good for the lyrics, okay? There's no more dead flowers. Now we got to get rid of this melodic line, but we want it to inspire us, so we want to draw that inspiration from this song that we've chosen. That's the whole idea with this technique and with the favorite mistake technique. It's the same deal, okay? We want to draw that inspiration. At the end of it, when we're done, there's going to be no resemblance or very little resemblance to Dead Flowers. I may remind you that we're in the key of C major, and that's the one thing to look at here now. Whatever key you're in, have a look at it. What's involved in this key? What other chords do we have available to us in this key? So far, the only chords we've played are C major, G major, and F major. That's it, okay? We haven't played anything else. Pretty much the whole song is with those three chords. The key of C major has three minor chords as well, doesn't it? So there's those three major chords, C major, G major, and F major, but we also have A minor, E minor, and D minor, okay, available to us. So we have those three chords to work out melodic ideas as well when we're exploring and going through this technique. Potential. Something could be happening there. If I can't hold you now. Gibberish, okay? If I can't hold you now and tell you how I feel. So if I can't hold you now and tell you how I feel, whatever, write that down, okay? So you got your recorder and you got a piece of paper and a pen, or you can use notes, you can use your computer, whatever, write these things down. But this is the beauty and the magic of gibberish, all right? Where would that have come from if I was like doing na-na-nas and humming? Nowhere, okay? Here we go. Okay, we're a far cry from Dead Flowers, wouldn't you say? There's some similarity there, isn't there, though? A little bit. But it's a different song. That's 100% a different song. We finished writing the lyrics, work out the structure, work out all those parts. Obviously, it's not finished, nowhere near finished. But there is a foundation and a structure from which to start and to build upon and to write the song. But this is it. This is what the inspired technique is all about. Getting that song, playing it, knowing the key that you're in, getting rid of the lyrics, and then exploring and using that inspiration, drawing from that inspiration to write your own song. That's basically the gist of it. That's what it's all about, you know? And it works, and it's amazing. And it works better with some songs than others, although the inspired writing technique is a lot more flexible. You can pretty much use any song for this technique, whereas the favorite mistake technique, as we've covered in the past, is a little more picky, a little more selective, a little more tricky to make work with all songs. Some songs just don't work with that technique. Okay, but when it works, it's magic. And I always say this, that the favorite mistake technique is definitely the most predictable. When you get the right song, it's the most predictable and magical way to write. So it's pretty cool.